What makes me smile? There's a lot of things that make me smile. The first thing that comes to mind when you ask me that is joy. And there's a scripture that says that the joy of the Lord is my strength. And when I think of that, I think of smiling. And why not smile? Just because you can. So that's one of the things that makes me smile. It's the fact that I can. Music. Music makes me smile a lot. It's been something that's been in my life forever, like for as long as I can remember, and just everything about it, being able to play, being able to collaborate with other people, getting to watch other musicians play, just being involved in music in general just makes me smile because it's a passion that I have. And like, I'm studying music right now, and getting to see how many musicians there are in Durban alone is it's ridiculous because everyone's so good. And yeah, it's just such a blessing to have the ability to be a part of a community of musicians, and such a blessing to be able to have a passion for something that's so tangible. What is a moment that has made me smile? I remember my girlfriend May, I was at her house, and she was drinking water as one does, and she spilled water on herself. So I started laughing because I thought it was funny. And then she took the whole cup of water and poured it on me, and it made me smile. I think smiling, it's such a contagious thing. When you smile, other people smile back, and it's just, for that little second, there's just so much joy. To smile just because there's hope for something better.